Besties, this short collar jacket you are seeing on your screen is giving luxury. It's clean and sharp, and that beautiful short collar just elevates the whole look. No worries, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to draft this short collar step by step so you can start creating jackets that looked polished and professional. So if you have ever struggled with collars, no worries at all. This is the one that will change everything. But as always, before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then share this tutorial with your sewing buddies. Now let's draft this beauty. So to start drafting this pattern, the first thing we're going to do is for us to trace out our front bodice block. Now once you trace out your front bodice block, lengthen it to your desired length. Okay, I had already done mine. Now the next thing you're going to do is you are going to draw your break line. So from here all the way down to the waistline is going to be my break line. So I'm just going to lengthen this all the way down like this to my waistline. Now the other thing you're going to do is you're going to take your back bodice, this is my back bodice, and then you are going to measure the neckline. So you take your tape measure and then place it like this on your neckline, and then you're going to measure it. So whatever you get here is what you're going to use. Whatever value you get here on your back neckline, you are going to add about 0.5 cm to it so that it will have a relaxed neckline. Okay, now you are going to mark this value here. From here now you take it upwards. Whatever value you have, you just take it upwards and add about 0.5 cm to it. So if I take mine upwards like this, I am just going to make sure your meter rule is placed like this. Okay, and then you just lengthen it like so. So from here to here is my back neckline plus 0.5 cm. Now once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to mark from here now. From here you're going to take it backwards, say about 1 cm or 1.5 cm. From here to here is about 1 cm or 1.5 cm. And then you are just going to blend it nicely like so using your meter rule. Okay, now let me use a pen so you can see it very well. Good. So you're going to have something like this. Now you are going to determine how wide you want the width of your collar to be at the back. So for me, I'm going to use say about 7 cm. You can make yours wider. You can also make it smaller. It really depends on you. So I'm using 7 cm. So from here to here it's 7 cm. All right. Now once you get that, the next thing you're going to do is we are going to mark where our collar is going, where we're going to shape in our collar. So from your waistline here, you're going to measure upwards, and you can actually determine how high you want your shape, the shape of your collar to start from. So for me, I'm using 14 cm here. So from here to here, I measure 14 cm. Now, once you've done that, you're going to lengthen your line and take it outwards, say about 15 cm. This is going to determine the width of your collar, how wide you want your collar to look in front. So you just draw it with a straight line like so. Now this straight line here is actually going to serve as a guide. So now the next thing you're going to do is you are going to connect this point to this point in a slight curve. So you can place it like this, place your curve ruler like this so that you get the shape of your collar very nicely. Okay, so you can see how it is. And then once you've done that, the next thing would be for you to connect this point to this point. Okay, so now once you've done that, now let's trim off the excess paper so that we can see how the collar really looks. Okay, so here's how our collar looks like. Now we're just going to fold it on your fold line so that we can see exactly how it looks. Now you see we got the shape really nice and really beautiful. Now if you don't like it here, you can take it upwards a little bit and reshaping it according to what you like. And just like that, besties, our shawl collar is drafted and is looking so clean. Easy peasy, right? Please let me know in the comment section if you found this tutorial really easy to follow. Now you can see how powerful it is when you understand how this collar works. It completely transforms your jacket. Now if you want a full tutorial, full detailed breakdown on how to draft the complete shawl collar jacket and sew it like a pro with clean finishing, I teach it step by step inside my online school. The link is going to be in the description box below. Remember, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your sewing buddies. All right, now tell me in the comment section, would you make this jacket fitted or oversized? I like to always hear your thoughts. Please share. Thank you so much for staying with me today. I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.